Sanibona bafethu, and this is your boy Ukatle Khontariana Mula aka Mr. Socho Kafele Motiba aka Mr. Cool himself. Welcome to Ikwata and Chill Bafethu. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. Uti Soweto, Siketo Bafethu, Nias Bafethu. Was born in Soweto, but my soul lives in Italy. That's why they call me Intariana Bafethu. Today Bafethu, currently at the Cabo Lounge Bafethu. I want to last corner again. Silahlela ama-appliance ngaphezulu kwamabhilidi basically ziyawa. So if I was the next and ufuna ukwazi shaya clips uzobona clips bese zahleberaves bese ziyawa. Then ngiphethe intwana yami ke izinto zenzeke noma zingafuna kwenzeka isikhiya sami ke ezinye.
Alright, thanks for going. Welcome Antana yami Moy. We are back yet again with another banger. It's your girl Uswazi girl, Mama Banjel Uzi Intombatana Yomswati. Of course, I'm from the ghetto. I'm a Gomorrah girl. I am the ghetto princess, the Swati baddie, you name it. But we are back with another bang, and I hope you guys do enjoy. He did mention that you need to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And of course, we are at Cover Lounge. Yes, it is located in Maboneng, and we hope that you guys do take a spin and come and explore. Have fun with us.
So bafethu njengoba kukhuluma kanje ngiyazi ukuthi sicela ngama-lounge and oJanuary abantwana babuyele ezikolweni.
Yeah, talking about back to school, guys, we would like to say congratulations to all the 2025 matriculants who have made it and have done good. We wish you guys all the best, and we hope that niqhubeke phambili ngemfundo ngoba imfundo ayipheli bafethu. And to those who haven't made it, guys, ningalahli ithemba, you know, you can always keep trying. Failure does not mean that it's the end of the world. You can always try again and keep trying, and one day you're going to make it. And to the little ones, the grade ones, the grade R's, oh, you little ones, abo bundle. We say to you guys, you are the future of tomorrow. So Sinani all the way. And if you can, guys, make sure that you support the little ones and be a great example to those who are in high school. But yes, we do say we wish you guys a blessed and a very good 2026, educationally so. So we do hope that you guys do well. Our interns that we have here at Kota and Chill, there's 4 of them. We are looking into obviously taking in more, but we do hope that you guys are very invested in education, because education is the key to success. So Nati, as Kota and Chill, we do have internships. Shout out to
that also. So that means, and it shows it's not about us, you know how they classify podcast. It's all about bashing and what. You know, we are not that podcast. You know, we're giving back to the community. That's why it's Kota and Chill, because the Kota intend share as a much chill. So but when we get back to school, but to those who did not make it, you can still rewrite. Yabona fail grade 11 phethu ngaphinda futhi ungazama. Yabona ngamfail grade 10 namhlanje ngine degree, you understand? So into important to push nokuzithemba ukuthi ubani, yabo. So njengoba bekupost ama Hennessy December, besicela ukubona post ama uniform ke manje. Isikhathi sabantwana.
Stationery, icathulo zesikolo, the preps. Already by now, kumele ngabe seniqedile ukuprepare zonke lezo zinto for abantwana. And to all the fathers sinibhekile, those who are not stepping up and playing roles and taking responsibility, paper geld bafethu, ungabhazisa abantwana benu, invest in your kids' future. Asifuni ukuthi kusasa size simkokotele sintrend ngoba thina sizokhuluma ngeke sihlale singakhulumi. So siyahope ukuthi nizoyenza into right, my gents. And also abagirl nani man, show up, because it's not all about the men. Also women are there also who are disappointments to their kids. Zaman bafethu ukuthi niyenze into right. Imali abantwana ama grant isebenziseni ngendlela right.
Ningayiphuzi.
Yes, if you need help, make sure you go to the relevant people, ask for for help. If there's anyone who will donate or anything, you can always email to Kota and Chill, and then help another school kid, help another girl child, help another boy child, guys. Education is very, very big, and yes. I do think that we need to take it very seriously.
Yeah. So Bafethu, that's what we open about. Abantwana besikela going back to school. Shout out to everybody who made it. If now out apply NFSAS ayitholanga, that's not the end of the world. Bofaka i-CV last year bakuthathanga. It's not the end of the world. Basically sifuna ukuqhubeza laba abefail more, because yibo manje basebumnyameni as we speak.
Yeah.
Then we are not saying ukuthi laba abaphumelele hayi nani nidlalela iphatheni, but then abafailile bafethu still ningazama mfethu flop ekugcineni zoba grand.
Yeah.
I'm so sure.
Yeah, no, with all that being said, we are going to be moving on to our next conversation, being about I'm an artist. We do know ourselves, I'm an artist. Artists are everywhere. Art is power, art is everything. It can be classified and defined in so many ways. And we are concerned about the future of our artists, actually, as South Africans or as a country as a whole. We don't understand what really is happening, but there are a few drips and drabs that have been trending. It has been blowing up our phones, our TikToks. Samro. What is happening with Samro? And I'm like, yeah.
Hey, it's your girl, Swazi girl, Mamaga Banjel Z, the girl from Gomora, the ghetto princess, of course, the Swati bag. Guys, I am here at this beautiful place in Maboneng. Oh my gosh, you guys need to come and experience it, because wow, we have it all. It's live performances, it's events, it's a bag. And we also have drinks, as you can see, guys. We do it, we match with your outfit, we're doing it good, we're doing it real, we're having fun all the way. 2026. Monate Fela. I hope you guys do come around, because wow, this is the place to be. Peace and love all the way.
Okay, so Bafethu, issues is a highlight that is currently trending. People are talking about it. From the news to your papers, to your TikTok, to your Instagram, to your Facebook. It's about December Bafethu. So we all know December Bafethu. I've been doing my episodes and I'm an artist. Maybe I did like 150 different artists are crying about their finances and whatsoever. I understand what they make money on my gig, but we still have money with Samro. So Samro, it's where you register yourself as an artist to earn royalties. No bangatama royalty malingane, but in 4 years, 5 years, so there's an issue that's busy trending about the Samro of Fate, whereby I'm an actor and actresses now where they want to get something from Samro, because into Zabobalo, but they are not getting paid. While I'm a production team at the Yafan and Pigeons of Patalagan, recoup. So there's a big debate about the Samro, whereby it's even involving IPA, Mupagati, allegedly, who are working out of the Samro, but they were charging the money. So royalties are there. That's where you get your royalties at Samro. So in the artist, like me, I understand. If you're an artist, go get yourself registered, understand Samro, go deeper, then you understand where your money is. So there's something on the internet that's currently happening and is about to shut it
guys,
down.
Yeah, he's right. It's crazy, man. A word on the street, like it's all over the news. It was on SABC, and it's also blowing up our internet, our phones, guys. It's really crazy, because this is the future of our artists. And you know, as much as we love art, we need to be able to invest in it. And now it's another thing when I'm artist about them being ripped off, and now and who is going to fix this problem? So you guys are going to have to bear with me, because right now when you're talking about Samro, we're talking about figures, and the last thing I want to do is to make mistakes and say the wrong figures or give you guys misinformation about something that is wrong. So today, something that I don't normally do, I'm just going to go through it, the highlights of what exactly is going on. I'm not going to read the whole thing, guys. I just also want to get more info, because I did also just get drips and drabs of what's happening around the situation. So apparently there's unpaid royalties and there's fraud allegations. So there's figures involving like 3.4 million in irregular payments from larger pool. There's lack of transparency, and there's governance concerns. There's leadership changes as well. also apparently the CEOs, COOs, like he's mentioned, who are involved in, these fraudulent activities. And we're talking about millions, guys, that are being owed to our citizens, to our people.
Our people
yeah. So it downfall, yama celebrity, downfall, yama artists. Not only is it because of Tina doing pirates and all of those things, but it's also because of these big organizations that are supposed to be supporting us, but instead it is working against us because they are ripping us off. And this is a great concern, because now what will happen to the media and entertainment industry as a whole? Like, it's a big pandemic, it's a problem, guys, and I don't know, what are your views on this one, and what do you think? We want to hear this. I think this is a very conducive topic for all of us, because we all, like I said, we all love artists, we all love art. I mean, I'm sorry for that, but yeah, you guys need to tell us on the comment section. You guys need to interact and let us know, what are your views, how do you feel about the situation that is happening, because it's really crazy. Apparently SAMRO's response, it acknowledges the members' concerns, but it emphasizes protecting copyrights and claims, ongoing efforts to increase payouts and collect funds. They've reported irregular findings to the police and suspended staff as part of internal investigations, but maintain the right to manage matters internally. So with this one, personally, I am aware, because also, we do have artists. Recently, there was a letter that was released. It's also on the other phone. It was released from Ntiki Mazwai Media, where they were talking about one of the staff members who was suspended. I think it was on the 6th of January, if not January, December. I'm not quite sure, to be specific with the dates, but there was already action that was taken with some of the staff members being suspended, some of them being called whistleblowers, to a point where an inquiry might end up happening, like one of the Madlanga Commission guys. It's crazy, because we are talking about large amounts, It's a big pandemic, because now my investigation has gotten to a point whereby I'm a witness. Apparently not all of them can come forth and be on screen to testify. Some of them, they need to be testifying from a secret location because of a safety app. When he mentioned about there's guns involved, guys, it's a very serious matter, because I think one of the ladies picked up there was some fraud that was happening, and she couldn't, she decided to go out and speak about it. And then that's when now they felt, she's going to be a problem. So right now, we don't know where her whereabouts. I cannot disclose her name, because it's for sensitivity and for safety purposes. But there are people within the space in SAMRO who are in trouble. And also, if you are an artist or if you're not an artist, be mindful of also the platforms that you use in terms of interacting with this situation. But obviously, because with public statements, it's already out there, I'm sure people are going to be safe. So I don't know.
And then, because Nakona, judging to what you're saying, like a lot of podcasts been talking about this thing.
Yeah.
You go to want to buy a road, like want to buy buy neglect talent, and the lento is cool because it's a pandemic where each and every legend they might show we have to donate for you. Like I in the sense why let's donate a legend to Montana awards.
Yes, and it makes sense, because some of them, they die and their legacy lives long, but then they can't even fund their own funerals, guys. They can't even cannot even benefit their kids. It's very questioning, but now it has come into light, and thanks to the few, or one of the ladies who became a whistleblower, well, she's called a whistleblower. Guys, we need to give shout outs to whistleblowers, because these people are making a very big difference in our society. And I do believe and hope that the law enforcement will take it upon themselves to make sure they protect them, they support them. There needs to be a movement that protects some whistleblowers, guys, because of I cannot be aware of information and decide to share it for the safety of other people, and then now my life is at risk, my life is endangered. We need to do something, so we need to stand up as a country, as a whole, and fight this crime that is happening, guys. It's becoming a problem, guys.
Because I'm adding on what you're saying is, because Mongadale radio, mostly they play local music. Maramonga ekasi upega ama awuthathule quiet. Awana mateki.
Yeah.
But mongena ku radio ukudlala music kwabo. SAMRO imali yabantwana iyephi? People sesifikela lapho thina zumphakathi. And it was just ukuthi benenzani. Because okay, I'm not promoting it, ne. I'm just saying it out loud, and I'm not saying with lento le right. I'm not saying anything. I'm just speculating. Imagine who pricks because say jail ne
Yeah.
beyangabambi imali
Yeah.
mali ingoma zakhe bezikhala ku radio
Yeah.
bekumele ngabe unemali manje njengoba phuma
Mahapuma, yeah, right. That's what I'm saying. Guti, here in South Africa, I don't know what is happening, but the future of our artists or the media and entertainment industry is going to be doomed, guys, if we don't work with each other to try and fight against crime, guys. I mean, it's not a really safe space anymore, guys. We thought we were doing it for fun, out of passion, and it was our bread and butter. But now, with these kind of allegations coming out and a possible inquiry that might be happening, a possible another Madlanga commission that might be happening, but this time around talking about the media and entertainment, it's really crazy, guys, you know? So on a day-to-day, we will be following up on updates, and we skala sonke siyakhalisana sisonke because of nathi siya-affecteka, guys. This is imali yabantwana bethu. How are we going to be able to live and survive? This is the only thing we know. So we hope Wuti Sambronians into right. We hope Wuti, because there's also forensic investigations as well
involved.
You know? So it's a big case. This one is a big case, guys. If you don't know about it, just make sure that you do your research, do your info, and make deep. Sure that you go deep into it, because even now it might even go as far as internationals also being involved and being aware about craft like South Africa. And I think it makes sense why Abo Waffles and Abo Nasty C decide to collaborate with internationals, Abo WizKid and all of that, because you know, I don't know how they do it that side internationally, but South Africa is falling apart, guys. And I don't know, Guti, how are we going to come back from this one, because every year seems to be a pandemic.
And there's a floppy liver.
Yeah.
A floppy liver. Most of like human beings, they are scared to tell the truth because basabokufa.
Yeah.
Kuyazifana bafethu sisifele siziphilela kanje nje irand likhuphukile kuyaphethe. So you might have the knowledge and the information, but you are scared. You are shoot mabangangidubula mabangangigijimisa ifamily yami. So there are a lot of secrets that are kept within because of fear of death. Abana bafethu okusalayo mpethu njengokutshela makulanga lakhe langa lawo khuluma usave a future than ukuthi ubhode never future isale
save 1,000 lives. Yes, but also we're not saying ukuthi we condone the death rates of among whistleblowers. Like I said, Guti, we need to also give them their roses. These people are really making a difference in our communities, in our lives, and they are making umsebenzi wabantu who are in the law enforcement easier, you know, because of they coming with the relevant information. Most of the whistleblowers are people who are internal staff, people who know exactly the pros and cons of how it got to where it got. They are the ones who have all the leads. So it is very much important, and we need to take it into our own authority to make sure that we protect these people. They are one of our own. We cannot let them die just like that, you know. So yeah, I don't know.
Manje mabangamshanga egani singekho indaba eflopilelo yazi bafethu mara bafethu into soyethu ukuthi shout out to the whistleblowers one time. Thina sizonibeka ngomthandazo bafethu because okuningi angeze kwenza.
Yeah, guys, so we are not saying Uguti, it's a good thing whistleblowers are being silenced, but one whistleblower can save 1,000 lives, guys. So I don't know, guys, but then there's a public statement that was also released. It's a concern over bias and silence in the creative and cultural sector. But before I go into that, bruh, what do you think about Indabayama whistleblowers as a whole? Because it's but one voice can save many voices and can bring out a lot of information and can bring awareness. And that is why we're talking about it here. It's an exposure, because we want to save lives. So
me my take about my whistleblowers, like it comes to, I know sometimes you will never be perfect and you will never be right, but then shout out to Unout for whistleblowing a lot of things. But there's in it, you understand, and abantu abafana naye abantu nabekumele siba protect yabo ukubonisa, like shout out to another whistleblower Omek G. Shout out to him also to ukuletha abantu ku platform yakhe You understand, to tell it the way it is. And shout out to other podcasters yabo ukuthi no kumele basave yabona. Shout out yabona nami nganceda u Jaden Lani ukuthi abe whistleblower ku Jazzy Q. Nganceda bo Lime Crazy, nganceda bo Mashudu RSA. You understand? So I'm a whistleblower, need to be protected, and it's better in every month because
So now, guys, I'm going to read the public statement that, again, I'm going to say the title of the public statement. It says, it's a concern over bias and silence in the creative and cultural sector. So it goes as follows. We are deeply concerned by the continued silence and selective advocacy from senior figures within the creative and cultural industries, CCI, particularly Dr. Ismail Mohammed, when it comes to the daily struggles faced by township and rural creatives in South Africa. And then it says, when Black creatives raise urgent issues around MGE funding, DSAC processes, NAC, NHC, and systematic exclusion, officials take a back seat and say nothing. Yet when institutions of privilege, largely white and historical advantage, are affected, voices suddenly become loud, organized, and publicly confrontational. It's a serious thing, guys. When we talk about money, vele kuba ne silence. You understand? When we talk about funding, when we talk about you know, so this shows the amount of money is power. But money is power, right?
And there's the root of evil.
And it's the root of all evil, guys. And then I'm going to continue. It says that the pattern cannot be continued. Yes, and that's why we are here, and that's why we're exposing this information, because the pattern cannot continue, definitely so. So it is important to state clearly, this is not about race as an ideology, but about lived reality and unequal access. Advocacy that only surfaces when privileged institutions are affected in not sector leadership. It is selective representation, right? So I'm just going to fast forward, guys, because this public statement is long. It's very long, but I'm sure it's accessible to everyone because it's a public statement. So I'm just going to go to the conclusion. So basically here, bakuluma organizations, the funding organizations who fund the creatives from townships and all different sectors, and all the other different organizations who are involved in all this pandemic, Yama creatives, right? So I'm just going to fast forward and say, would see silence in the face of injustice is not neutrality, it is endorsement. We call for equal advocacy for all creatives, genuine engagement with township and rural stakeholders, accountability from those who claim to speak for the sector, and leadership that reflects transformation rather than preservation of privilege. The creative sector deserves honesty, courage, and inclusive leadership, no selective silence. So this is very true, guys. We deserve to be heard and we deserve to be treated equally. Angazi, what do you think?
And then
yeah.
Izoba ngenye indlela because manje sikusikhathi sepiano. And lonke artist mo cala like ukhuluma nalo. Lecture ukuthi yo me I'm making money with gig money. Dog, you will stop getting gigs. Then you uzobukhalela isamba. So as an artist nani that
it's a fight for all of us.
Kungalu laba abasafarayo. Nalabo abaphezulu like Casper University. Yabona laba banemali. Unite because at the end of the day, none are
affected. Yes, I think gigs anytime. It's very correct because, guys, we cannot predict the future. This takes us back to COVID times. Remember in COVID, we never planned for it. COVID humbled us as a whole, and it showed us that anything can happen anytime. People can lose jobs anytime. We can stop being mobile at any moment, you know? So these kind of things, they groom us and teach us and to be able to, you know, be able to make sure we protect our future, even though we don't know what it holds. But we need to, isn't this ganja mazipuma, be able and fight them, you know? Because when gigs stop, you will still need your money from somewhere. I mean, it's all your hard work, guys, and you cannot let that money grow. You know?
Every live. Celebrity because people who are fighting this corruptions are the broke ones. The one with money, they don't care. They will fight it when they are broke. So let the broke and the one with money fight this system. That will be a solution. Mongena ku live yomuntu ukutshela ngayo lento ukuthi sifuna imali zethu. Like every celebrity. Because manje makuzokukhuluma pitch black afro. Sizothi awushayekile
la ukuthi akasekho relevant.
Mara mangakhuluma black coffee.
It will have hold, it will have weight, which is not fair, and that's what the statement was talking about. With Nathi, as creatives, we need to treat each other with equality. We need to take each other seriously with equality.
So bafethu siyamcela bafethu make sure ukuthi nani niyalandela ipaperwork yenu kusam, because some of the artists that do like the labels, they do everything legit. Umuntu ongazi izinto right, artist akalandela ipaperwork yakhe bese mathi simxakile la a blame eWZ. Mara Samro bafethu please yenzani into right mfethu, because manje kule industry yabona kunelikompo kunamabhenqa kuyofa abantu abangoshebe shita sakalanda imali yakhe Samro. So ithini lento le yayibona ukuthi manje kuyolimala abantu. So bafethu unity makes wealth. Let's all unite and fight this thing. Let's not let the poor kube yibo njalo abalwayo naba rich bafethu asilweni sibambaneni, then everything will be okay. I understand.
You know, guys, being an artist, like I said, being a creative is broad because we pay attention to detail. I mean, from makeup to hair to drip, like to the sound, everything, guys. Being an artist is a lot of hard work. Looking good all the time is not only looking good behind the camera, but it's your day-to-day life. And speaking about looking good, as you can see, I look like a princess. Of course I am. I'm very pink. And in Tanam featuring, and Tanam, you look so pretty. I see you. You did some shopping, né?
Yeah,
you did some shopping, yeah. And in Yabona, it's the Panther vibes. And I see you're not rolling alone. Like, I don't know, there's a Panther situation happening in studio today. I don't know. But I can see, man, I like it. I love it. It looks amazing. I see I like it. But anyways, let me just put you on it. I don't know. Tell me.
So, but let's keep a little Black Panther from Soweto. Kaslo to like Chiakoni Poti, Emma Khonchi. So siyalight aningasibonisi kanje should manje sine solar sona. So makambugisa sathenga amakhandlela so inkendlini sigcoka ikipa uyalight. So iBlack Panther
like so it's kawfela.
Yeah, you understand ne Alex yazithenga.
Yeah. Ni Alex kawfela ito lighter, guys.
You understand? Yeah, funa nenkinga yegesi.
Yeah.
So something has come but this the Black Panther.
Yeah, speaking of a Black Panther, maybe we should welcome the Black Panther.
Yes, on time. Yeah. So while as a Black Panther, do you know the movie Avatar?
As mina ngaziphi le akopolitio yabona le yabona le jakwa ngithanda yona
ithanda into ze Black Panther
angikhumbuza yona vele mangiyibone
na Black Panther is abafethu ayizinje Black Panther akize ngapha alright Black Panther mara abantu bako Black Panther bade why ni Black Panther emfishati ifana ni Avatar yazi ukuthi Avatar lento the movie the Avatar like abantu base Africa niyazi guys like bathathe isn't your favorite?
Can you please come sit the side because you know I'm not mukfuna can't do why it's you know what guys utsingsusela no cover oh ufuna comfortable go cover oh okay so mara ngifuna ukubona iskipa
amakhala maningi bafethu before ngicela ukunitshela le ndaba bafethu ngithukile the movie Avatar yazi abantu base Africa bamampela la like abalanti bamampela so benza nalezi zinto lezi like stru bafethu ni check and dining and nana abantu base states ne funa ukunitshela ngesilungu mfethu ngiyatshela ngathi bafethu nana abantu base states ngifuna ukunitshela ngesilungu Hollywood ne Bollywood, please stop coming to Africa and taking our content and make money out of our poverty rather than helping us. We are tired of you. This time, shita. Ukuthi ama-cameras engani bafethu izophela la ngiyamtshela anyway bafethu
nibahle mara intwana yami yazi ngishaya ngesurprise guys you know yazi intwana yami ne ipartner yami my partner in crime like my ride or die my mfanaka Mr. Soweto kawfela yamtsiba wethu phatha he made sure ukuthi Bega, he paid attention to detail, man. Azang I'm throw it under the bus, although I don't have a Panther t-shirt, but you know, we got this. Anyway, so I love him for that, but also the green looks very stunning. I don't know. Tell us more about the Panther.
I Panther of Fit so far it's Yasemsotra. Yasemsotra. Straight from the Snake Park.
No, but wait. Yes. I want to know what you know bani. They need to know what to buy.
Yeah, people they like people that
Black Panther. We want to know what you bani, the man behind Black Panther or the team behind Black Panther. Who are you? Where are you from? What's your name?
Okay, Fetikama Sfiso Sokela, born and raised in Soweto. Yazi sonke sibuye Parakwana nawubuye khona.
Yeah, ngibuya la eParakwana the biggest hospital.
I'm such in the building.
Yeah, so
zalwa ngama chopper thina basidropa nina niya ngeambulance.
Yeah, so Black Panther behind him Sfiso Sokela lo. Umuntu ofana na everyone.
Okay.
So ngikhulela from eDube.
Okay.
Yeah, then my old lady Bapanda the timer bathola ingoja eSnake Park.
Okay. So for those abangazi ukuthi ingoja yini, we know ukuthi this is a podcast yaseKasi.
It's a shack, Buffy. Yeah, it's a shack. Yeah, it's a shack. But
we got you guys, don't worry.
So
then ngahlala khona eSnake Park kwakho yonke into yabona. And then looking hasila nje ngithanda ama design impahla
from Velsi Sintwana.
Yes. Then we call this guy Soli Vista. Yeah,
usaphila
yeah, so second.
Hayi baba lezinye kwani lebhayisi soweto kwani.
Yeah. Okay, ngihighlighting ngani ubani Soli
Vista is another local brand meaning yaziyo ebe yaba influence.
So amakwali via ukuthi same competition maybe.
Wayenza equal. I think because of abantu budala abantu banequal and stuff.
Bese bambela nequal brand yakhe yaba ya.
Equal is a thing in Soweto. Nenkwala ngayo yonke.
Yeah, not in Soweto, in the whole world.
In the whole world.
Mina nithi kakhulu.
Nabelungu banequal.
Unje ke nokhwana nje.
I so it is no. But then I let brand equal. To be quite precisely honestly about it. Bekumina ngabe kuyi brand enkulu manje endlola amaXhosa. Because it's been there phela masikhuluma ngabokwali sikhuluma we taking it back abo dankisana. No we taking pro kid. You understand because we must not forget music, lifestyle and culture.
No DJ Spool. We were a push yabona. DJ Spool like he was huge cause if it wasn't for him, abokwali abo dankisana. Yeah, there he was. Because under TS record.
Yeah, because TS for life.
You see, guys, I'm learning from the best, and let's learn, let's listen and hear. It's gonna be a nice one.
What you Black Panther? Before Black Panther, Kona Ikara is Stan's car.
I like those.
So they like that car, but there was another time and Jebiza Ikateli Mnyama. It's a beautiful black car. In a scooter. Abantu bayazi le moto bayazi ukudlula mina.
Okay.
I know the car a lot.
We get into it.
Yeah, so bathi Ikateli Mnyama ngayenza kube Black Panther the car.
Yeah.
Yabo imoto kwabe Black Panther and then from there ngathi ethi mangabe ngivanga le car ngizenzele i-t-shirt e-Black Panther. Even tough vele ngifuna ukushaya i-local brand kudala.
From a very long time. So it's always been the vision.
Angenza i-t-shirt amara ngathi waba nabantu bathi acela usenzele nathi yabo.
They liked it.
Then ke kwenzakala ukuthi ayithi ngenze 2 ngibone kenzakalana. They didn't buy bekusilehe cause ngemvanenye abathi clean school yasekhaya seyabhayisa i-clean school. Yeah, uyinyathama mopiyona sikhula sonke so one cup wathi asprinte kule awuthami leso uyongifakile untanga yabona. So that day I think he had like 5 t-shirt or 8 t-shirt. I mean I had 3. Bathenga nesiwani sobhayisa.
Wazoshaya.
Abantu ayichavu yazi abona. Then ngathi maphila ukuthi lento le aseyamle local brand kumele ebantwini uyenzeni yabona.
Yeah.
Then until ke ngathi ayithinga bengikhohle ukutshela abantu ukuthi amehla light.
Yeah.
So bengithengisa nje mina Ngobatshela abantu. So another girl wathenga ama t-shirt yabo like bahamba baye emakhaya. Hayi alight emakhaya ngazo ugogo wawa.
Ungayenzani semakhaya emahlathini ndoda.
Ugogo.
Yayibona
semsuku abo angazi emakhaya kubamnyama ngazi abanama inini yabona. Ngathi uma two gogo yavuka makayithi clips. Abona mehlo blue. Bathi wow ugogo boo. Bambonela ngabo two. Usugogo wangasitshela mehla lighter. Hayi yakutshela.
All right. So guys, this one is a funny one. Definitely it's a funny one because of I think he ends a brand that
special, then I ended up telling people what I like.
So you learned from the incident.
Started selling like.
So makokumenzele here just to say I
no mengaxolisa because nami wanokungithusa phela nami.
Okay.
So nginokubuka ekusulu lithi you share 69.
Okay.
Snake Park ngisiphromele ngomini ngithi ibuye ngabo 2 obvious echamele ebhakede na. Sangaphandle thina sichamele Ay manje ngiyavuka manje angibe ngithengela ama customer ngizihengile so ema couch manje yo angithuka ndoda zangithuke kanje ngithiyo manje le brand yapi it took time ukuthi
sabinto yakhe sabinto mina skiza because I understand still bese abantu they started to buy it into engifuna ukuyazi though kunabantu manje who are currently watching they know Soweto and but they don't know ukuthi kune Snake Park yabo. I wanted to put us like back in the days dog a Snake Park but like Snake Park is one of the notorious casinos like ifana nabo Zola you understand bekushiswa abantu lapha do you know any history about the Snake Park phela kusemahonji la
Snake Park mina ngafika I think 94 saqala ke yabo sahloma imikhulu
that's a long time
and then it was like Mexico where mogangile uyosifihla Snake Park like he was there la manje mangabe ufuna amaphoyisa yabo abantu basezola bagangayo babalekela khona abo bani so sagcine saba yimix like Soweto yabantu abagangayo
bayotshelo
so now
even now mongena ngemoto iyashuti nathi obvious yangena kulezo zinto lezo
now
influencer
okay izana
bese uyaphuma
bowenzani bothuna no siyaxoxa kumnandi Soweto
next kanjani no mana ngithi
ama petty crime
dala masiyintwana kuthuthi sishaya igada nani sesihaya yabo sesiyajuthana ebafethu asinanyuko kumele sibhayela ama besidla amalbhoza yabona
amalbhogo esaswazi ngesilunga gogo
lapha yana sesiyaphuma lapha sesiyalapha boma topsi sithi ayisabangena lapha siphetha amajambo sithi sibabamba inkunzi mara besibamba ama timer ayabo mama
mara waya ama timer
mama besibasaba ngoba baya scream bayamemeza ama timer ngithi amanya yabheda vele
mara wafethu
besintwana nathi
timer la mjana selikwatile lishamina
so mina ngabayela ngathi abayenze lento cause nini nibamba umuntu inkunzi nabaleka bayangijimisa moto thubuliwa la tine 5 rand sinini 9 next phela ngeke phela mabamba inkunzi uthi thingibheki wala tine malini if thingibheki ifone yakho uyahesa nje into fast bese out ngabathana manje kuyagijima vele yabo ngabona ukuthi la
ngcono focus ku Black Panther
ngofocus like kuma PlayStation
bese
ngene business PlayStation beza abantu bazodlala ngama 5
okay that's
so a lot of kids they were coming abashem bengena ama PlayStation now it was not a bad thing because mina ngikhule ngizibekela inyuku mankera let's say ngikera 5 rand bengidla 10
also bo good ngokusave also
business
i local brand ne akhona top udlula wabo but they can't sell the way ngithengisa
that's why ngifuna ukuthi usifundise namhlanje ukuthi ukubaluleka kokusave imali and nokusebenzisa imali as someone who is a creative and running a local brand. You understand ukuthi ukuyiqala le initiative abantu bangathi nginayo le idea le but angazi ukuthi ngizoqala kanjani. I don't have the money, I don't have the resources. So I want you to take us through ukuthi how kuze kanjani was it something vele ukhule vele unabo lobo buhlakani bokuthi imali iyabekwa imali isetshenziswa kanjani noma it was something that you felt like because it's a passion you felt like you needed to invest in it?
No, it's about the business. Yabo. Noma ungaba skillful kanjani. But if you're not business minded,
it's never
you can be a best soccer player, you can be a best what. But if I was begging you yakho, I was setting you yakho kahle. Ngeke kube na focus. Uzoba let's say ispromila saphuza. Uzoba in my time. Uthe mina benginani mina bengenzani. So mone pesa kheti let's say wenze 100 rand. Make sure ukuthi kulo 100 rand leyo udla 20 rand. 80 rand le izokutshalela maybe izokutshalela 2 clipper.
Yeah, sure.
Mayikutshalela 2 clipper still maybe udla still 20 rand. But you don't change the lifestyle. So abantu when they start ukuba grand they say change lifestyle, ba change imoto, ba change imali, balahla no sister let's say ku dala uzona no sister sekazona nengamla
yabona sebahlala ema
2000 ngoba bayanizwipa
so that's where the problem comes there.
That's
where the problem business it's about
ubupanzula lo
the business mongabheka ama artists amaningi let's say for because mina ngithanda rap kakhulu
uthanda abantu rap
baningi ama artists I rap va ekaso ngaphandle
kasi
ikasa kasekho Prokid
bayangiphephetha ngiyatheko ayishwana edlala ngamagamani attitude
okay abafethu before shayile veselwana ka pro bese
irap mina
ngala ngibonga support
was my call
yazi
abezidlala ukuphatha vesa
ngidlalise ke
ngishayele mfana
ngala ngibonga support bese ngigive back la maflow emali kusho kamari I need a man of the mention of the checks.
Sure.
1 2
All right, he got you. I can see.
Phela akuna awuthenga shali awuthi la macabanga lo muntu
Soweto
marubholile akuna umuntu owazi ukumreplace
but Khonto Ntswembu touchline
mayenda into
touchline is the one
touchline
mara kayekela isilungu kancane asikiza uthi ayi
no problem asishaka too
mara izwa ama hit song ka pro amapi ibamba yini uthini ngo pro isekela awevenek I think ku touchline needs to venek kancane you understand the umuntu ongimisile like engim expectile and is nice
quest
quest sekada amara mina mangathathana no quest
abomutshini
awushayile iveseli one ke
labafana basePitori bafikile abomutshini abo Tato Cell bafikile
nantana zakala
that hip hop yabo yemnandi
man
maruphathini red party.
Okay guys, marazi nenkulumo izosuka ibe inkulumo mpikiswani idonsi ibe inde kakhulu. Okwamanje nje ngifuna sibuyele back to ukuthi wena kahle kahle okay sharp uyimamelile hip hop akwenza konke but now I still want to go back to the basics ukuthi when you njengoba usuyicalile okay sharp now so ne brand investile kuyo sinesikhathi singakanani iBlack Panther.
Black Panther say we 5 years.
Oh, it's 5 years.
It's 5 years now.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Nice one. Shout out to all the other local brands out there, guys. This is a pure, a great example of a local brand. I don't know if I can call you an entrepreneur, a businessman, an ambassador, because you're also wearing your own brand, you understand? But he's doing it, he's making it, and if he can make it, you can also make it too. I'm talking to Leantwane Nane Begelele screen list. I'm talking to that young girl that's watching and that thinks he started from so going back to you, I don't know. So Manje, we want a team in, or did you expand the team? Like, has it expanded?
For now, new one.
Okay, you're still alone.
Yeah, new one. But there are people who are working. I mean, I do like Petino method is behind the
camera.
Yeah, and put I wanna contain. I'm going to buy a container.
That's nice.
Shout out.
Yeah. Moves, money making moves. 2026.
In 2 months.
Yeah, in 2 months.
Oh, that's nice. We're gonna call him for part 2 to check out what's going on. But also
CV.
Yes, create job opportunities.
Yeah, bakhona abantu abasipanayo because nabantu abayithu abaprintayo. Bekakhona umuntu bengicela ayenzani ayongistokela impahla sengiyaziyela and stuff because angithi ama order nokumshaya but bakhona abaprintayo and then bakhona nama different people engibatshela ngicongenzela into so khona odila ngokuyenza amalogo khona odila ngokuprinta khona ufaka amapende khona negipe ezinamapende yeah so there's different people which angeke kudliwe one.
So you see guys, we don't look down on local brands because here it is, it's also creating job opportunities. You understand? It's making a difference in the community. And shout out to you, sir. You're a big man. You are changing so many lives. Just go to the employment yomuntu oyi-1 job cash umuntu oyi-1 lo muntu uthola ukuthi ekhaya ufida abantu abayi 15. You never know. You understand? You're making a difference in these people's lives and we appreciate for you for that and keep on doing the good job that you're doing. You understand? And so I can see what's going on my cups as well, guys. Look at how. Cheers.
Black family. And the food in a courtroom jail of the Black Panther it's a people's brand. Daily history a Black Panther. They were called Black Panthers. So
this one carrying Avad.
So it's about Black Panther, Black Power. It's about so it's not about duty. It also gives nice people There's also stickers so when we have that sticker, no bacteria stuck on your motor.
That's the culture we have. Like we might divert, but you understand about Feju. Here we talk about everything.
And sorry guys, shout out to Black Panther crew. Black Panther crew.
Shout out to
and then rest in peace to intwana yethu bebayibekile evenda.
Rest in peace
and to save us a place in heaven in Tag Mention.
Black Panther crew iqalwe umusa iqalwe umusa no touch basebenza sinkwalesi rainbow basebenza rainbow so they started putting baqale bathenga idike emotweni and then bathenga ama t-shirt then from there emsebenzini bonke basifuna then they ended up buying then we created a group which we planning ukuthi this year we're going to help where we help sivakashela ikolo
shout out
to that.
And I'm always available for that.
Looking forward to also paying a visit to your school. So if you do have a school and your school loves the initiative that Black Panther is taking, guys, make sure that you find them and you locate them and you reach out. They'll be visiting your school. You never know. Maybe you may be the lucky school. I don't know. Now that I've mentioned
because we just need with the shy meeting. Then after a meeting, then so explain what they say. What's the until June? And I was challenging him so I think so now umuntu manje guy challenge with June ufuna achieve ini may ufuna achieve 1 2 and 3 mayfika June must achieve it that's why nasesikolweni kuyabhalwa March phasile yabo so I believe that ukuthi masnga shy meeting sit draft everything
formalize
because unfortunately last week Saturday bebabe kuntanga yabo
so everything is a bit
tense ayikolo today even now there are people the seasons are number so abanye ba khapha abantwana
yes mina bafethu jumping to brands sabuyela futhi ukuthi we can't shy away from this one we can't talk about brands without talking about hip hop. And us talking about hip hop, it's us involving the viewers because they also have their point of view. That's why we see Shanghai Replica Pro. So when a job we Snake Park, when Shire Oban in fact Snake Park or Repa, when
how easy, I'll tell you easy. I'll tell you easy. Like if easy, the way we were talking corner, I want to compare. They ended up comparing if easy no pro cheat. Because I kumbula bongivalele venini obujampo yeah, so those songs were like that unfortunately mina I thought kuthi lapho ikasi rap bekumele boom bekumele kube F-Easy after F-Easy kube abo Deep Soul abo Siashezi. It was supposed to be like that, like intenzeka manje la mawuthi abo le hip hop le abo bani
abo
laba ba rapper kamnandi yibo base gaming nabo Tony nabo yeah iyo hip hop kumele ibambe manje, so that back in there ikasi rap
in thing
because I remember even no DJ Spoo bekanokubiza uSiyashezi azovula i-breakfast show. So
I was seeing Scoop.
Yes, so it was supposed to it was supposed, but unfortunately azange
but you're thinking goma sibe electionally one what made kasi rap not to be there
amajita lawa apophayo lawa because baba popha they supposed to be badonsa abanye abafethu yabona ba mele mawuphopha manje uthi amagama nyenye ngakhuluma khona umunye obewaphopha uyazazi
obani
baya
siyamsqoke lentenza
angifuni ukudujula ukhona leyo muntu lo uyazazi bowaphopha makaphopha kazange landa amajita and ulande umunye umjita makalanda umunye umjita wa ulando lo yomjita wamfaka kukasi rap maqeda umfaka kukasi rap khana mdonsa manje umjita
hayi bafethi obvious back to the scene
uyamazi lo mjita lo
shun mara mina ngikhuluma next ngale
so
mina ngithe
so what I'm saying is badonsane earlier yes badonsane earlier
something
wathiwa sebayangena bonke so like amapiano what's happening now amapiano maningi unokhala ingoma uthi ayukabza abadaya sikabza uthe ubani manje loyo yabona ukuthi baya and monga notice umaphorisa makase studio bangaba yi20 la bangaba yi20 ba nobani bakalonch album umthuda nje bakalonch album beza bonke baya featurana bonke so ikasi rap ikhawatha amajita mawa because probably ngaba feature
I think what's the problem ne phela i-rap and to be specific kasi rap niyadisana and niyakhothana ngamagama and manje lyrical and on another level so ni deep ni phezu so obvious maybe amajita athatha phezu
disana wala ikasi nje
I'm just saying
yala South Africa ijoke ngale modisa bakudubula bra ngale it's about ngale overseas like mongdisa manje ngithuka manje iyadlula nje imoto edimile AK ufanu yabo so yangapha angazi why bebadisana because anye ungidise ukuthi uyahlupheka nami ngiyahlupheka yabo so abangale like it's ba ama gangster vele bathengisa ama drugs banebhamu banama AK yonke lento le yabo so hip hop yangapha nje amajita bayabasileya even nabo case uzamile ukushabo family tree yabo unfortunately bona beba commercial bebangekho kasi
but then bafethu talking about ikasi rap bafethu njengoba ashilo ukuthi bayashiyana bafethu mina into engishilo ngicela ibe clear ngithi ushuni ingoma then number 2 azake ngathi mina bayalo eLimpopo so angikhuluma ngamagama abantu manje ngizobona ukuthi niphuma kanjani so bafethu
hi guys later so but anyways mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi is it the shirts and the cups
and the
only
stickers and
the stickers.
Two-piece and
two-piece nje, two-piece.
I keep the pet kahle mele kube yonke.
Namanda
Ngenza ama couch.
should namanda pena like
Ngenza ama couch. Yonke into ngoba already ngithi sikhona ama imoto
yonke into iyatholakala.
La ifina kumelanga uzlimite. Yeah, uthi mina yacula phela mele like yabona uKespanya Vest wenzani.
Yeah.
Akathi uyacula. Vele music wakhe mina uyakheni music kantanga.
But yo Casper bengekho
no mina
yo
but yena akabhekanga umusic uCasper ushama stream uyenzani uyazama uyalwa lemshimani la and it's been years silokho sithi uzophuma yena ngoba nebusiness akazange sipanise
so kahle kahle uthi uyafoster
yeah bekantswembu back there asane-pond
yo
yeah bekantswembu la after cut
allegedly bekathwele
kancane umuntu bekantswembu aka ngoba bekalapha ku music waya
Big Zulu Ntswembu
yeah ku pop hayi ku rap
ayisena
ku pop yeah lo music
MT
top layer number 1 top layer hayi le talented layer le ntwana talented and vele biba rap dala bakhula bonke nabo Saudi top talented yeah
Drugs Inc.
no Aries na
but into engibulala ngoSaudi but it's too laid back bro like it's too dope to be this laid back like uSaudi ukhiphe ingoma no MT the recent song but MT is not on the video I don't know why and that's
he's so, a boy you should know why how come you don't know why nigga
you know MT
you don't know why
awuthembelele yazi
ngakhumbulanga enough
but
hip hop beat now when it comes to abantwana because immaturity yethu thina ama-out si-influence hip hop ukuthi kumele uphande yonke lento abayirephayo but then yawuthi esingebali engisalutayo
Reverend Tunza plus une-brand
upayiswa nje lentwana zamapantsula
manje ngicombuza something understand ukuthi yes sikule interview nawe Black Panther as a whole. But you mentioned something about MT and Intwana Yako. So I just want to clear out something, and I don't know if you and how old you are. I love you, MT, with the passion, like you.
And you sing.
Look, I love your music. I love, but there's something in concern. He was trending for sleeping on stage.
Yeah.
Can you clarify that? Did you have a conversation with him? Did you have a conversation with him about the situation? What happened?
Ayekho umuntu ongalala emsebenzini. So
indele ngabayiphuzayo lalisana ilini apparently yalalisana
mara ino danger
yeah for me
anyway. Okay, yeah. So, anyways, it's fine. We love you, MT.
Oh, we
we love your music. Sometimes you get carried away.
Are you shy? Alpha,
kuna le ngoma yake no Youngstar. Le Youngstar na blow up when I was 21. My first meal I gave it to my mom. Abafethu nalabantu laba ukuthi mase stage nisidonze nigibele bese babantsha
khona lento eshaya impama shebe ushebe azwaya shaya impama so guys uyibonile lento ukuthi bahlale wathi angizoyisolve lento le phela ushebe baboshebe ngazazi ukwenzakaleni ngabe bese akazikhuza azange nimnotice bese akazikhuza ushebe ntanga because mawuqala ukumamba bese akubheka Get more sharp.
Discharge of
what happened to that boy.
I love you still share Shem.
Nah, SARS and I want to use the right hand.
Ukuze bayithande igama lakhe lentwana no like bafite spirit sakashe emakhuluma ngaso uyathula
no aziflopiva
leso sithule kancane
azibayithandelana yazi bamthandelana ushebe ka bamthandela ukuthi ihlanya uya abantu so mangaqala change abe straight ayeba sometimes mangaba straight cabanga ushebe ngithi mangene stage ushalezi
So I did it.
Cabanga sekahamba straight.
Let me sip to Shebe.
Yeah, okay.
To Shebe.
Hey, it's your girl, Swazi girl, Mamaga Bundle Z, the girl from Gomora, the ghetto princess, of course, the Swati bag. Guys, I am here at this beautiful place in Mabueneng. Oh my gosh, you guys need to come and experience it because wow, we have it all. It's live performances, it's events, it's a bag. And we also have drinks, as you can see, guys. We do it, we match with your outfit, we're doing it good, we're doing it real, we're having fun all the way 2026. Monate Fela. I hope you guys do come around because wow, this is the place to be. Peace and love all the way.
Ngiyakholwa ukuthi sobuyile back from wherever la bekhona Twilight yoshaya 69 njengo 69 I don't know, but anyways we are back thina siphuzile amanzi sirefreshile. We still on the topic with Black Panther, we still on the local brands, we still giving them credit. Shout out to all the local brands again, and please don't forget to hit that like, comment and subscribe button. We love you guys, peace and love, and welcome back to our show.
Pa. So just to clear the air, to make everything easy for everyone who's watching at home. Those were just alleged things about OMT, because I spent quite a lot of time now, which have an EP that's coming now, which is not an EP, it's an album with him. So, minimum OMT ngimbona krem. Like, angiboni like umuntu ongathi nyawupe boy, umuntu ophuzile kakhulu. Like, I just see a normal gent who's hustling and who's doing better. So that means going to use it as face eye or the kind of fatigue or over, sometimes you know to put an overdo it. But MT is doing well. And shout out to the album, is doing numbers. Shout out to the new crib. Like, shout out to MT.
Shout out. Love. Spread the love, guys.
Yeah. And we're afraid to just a word on the streets. I don't know if it's gonna put me, but it put me wherever it puts me. Club owners are killing each other, by the way. One of the club owners, the Shakers, got shot and Uti, so same applies in the city group. People are killing each other. We have awareness, but let's not forget to pray for each other.
Yeah, sure. In everything that we do, guys, we do spread the love and the peace. We do know there's a lot that is happening, but we also are going to share about the kind of incidents that happen because we also are part of the situations, We're not going to go into deep on what exactly is happening or what happened, but we just like to say RIP to the gents and to the gents' family, condolences to them all, and love and peace all the way. So now, going back to Black Panther, Mr. Ra.
Sure.
I just want to know, Uguti, I want you to tell us, Uguti, how or what are the challenges that I'm a local brands or I'm a businessman who are operating locally, because currently right now you're local, right? What is a challenge in Pegana now, like most of the time running the business? I know Guti, running a business comes with a lot of responsibility, and we'd like to know Guti is into your day-to-day challenges as a businessman.
Okay, my challenge is the coolest now. It's when let's say we order a t-shirt. Let's say in medium or small, and then la I see tenga khona t-shirt ayikho, then la sewa khona ma t-shirt maybe order 5 senyawayenza sekadla imali.
So don't you guys take a deposit maybe?
We do take deposit, but it becomes it's hustling ekasi akufani njengase truth ukuthi makhola bayideduct automatically. Ekasi sometimes kuba silehe ngani mokumele ucollect imali yakho month end, then they telling you ukuthi ubonile uantu ushonile, ubonile ingosi yami yagula mfethu ingosi since igula untombazana kushela ngokuthi baba umntana nangu bese akabalekile, so ugcina uzwa izinto ezingamelanga uzizwe.
And lezo zinto lezo and out of 100 how many times do you come across those kind of
yizo ngasho nje maybe 40%, 30% most of the time.
So it's not bad. We can still work.
We can still work.
Yeah, it's
another challenge is now, okay, everyone man is running a local brand.
Yeah.
So it's another challenge.
Competition is high.
You can't buy.
Okay, so what I want to know is that now that you've mentioned with these competitors, and I'm also going to go back to what you mentioned about Truworths. First, I'm going to start with competitors. There's a lot of local brands, right? And we do know in business, there's always going to be a competitor. There's always going to be someone that's better than you. In music and everything that you do in life, there's always going to be someone better and whatever. And so I just want to know, brand is special, is stand out to the people. Why should we choose your brand?
Black Panther, like I said, Buffett, Black Panther, I say I'm new one. Yeah, it's a people's brand, it's a most chosen brand. Assist keeper Sami, assist keeper Sako, assist keeper Saki. So that's what a Black Panther is about. So it manage to represent when you're a human, obviously. Black Panther, you have to have one. Besides, and also the quality.
Yeah, I'm going to say
300. So it's 3 times the t-shirt.
It's
3 times the t-shirt, like I got my cams, but it's 3 times the t-shirt that's my cams. I 3 my t-shirt. It's coming there.
Okay.
There was this lady, who ordered skipper say Moschino.
Yeah.
And then they are taking the skipper sang.
Okay.
So what happened is they got pete t-shirt Moschino Niam. Same texture. Nizoni out texture me. Texture in the street.
So we do appreciate that.
Last number is too much. You can't sell a t-shirt in 2.5. That's my opinion.
Well, I mean, we can't say much about prices. Talking about 2.5, we can't say much about prices, guys, because of I can have a brand, Dariana can have a brand, you can have a brand, and our prices are not going to be the same, and we all have a client base at different, and people just need to stick to what they can afford. You understand? You cannot complain about someone else having 3,000 rand while you're on 500. That's what you chose, and that's where your market is. That's what you can also afford. But also at the same time, speaking about my prices, I want to know how do you determine or get to select ukuthi price kanjani izinto zakho, like the shirt ukuthi coming up with the conclusion ukuthi okay, this is the final price, I'm going to sell it for $200, and the cap I'm going to sell it for this, the sticker is going to be, is it determined by the size, is it determined by, because some things are expensive or vary because of size, like icathulo umuntu unokuba expensive because of a size 5, it's not a size 3.
I mean it's a business person, it's a business man or business guy or boy. Into mangithenga ngibheka transportation.
Okay.
And then let's say ngibheka equality ukuthi ngispend emalini ukuthenga t-shirt, let's say t-shirt 60 rand. Then ngibheka maybe that ngingi 50 rand sekuyi 110 yabo. And then material le yabo.
Okay. So that's how you establish your price.
150 ke. Ukuthi at least ngithole i-t-shirt ngithole le 150 ngithole le 2 clip. Because I know more things a 5 ngelanga, you can still make 1,000. More things a 5 on my t-shirt and looking economy. Yabo la embuya khona.
Realistic.
Now my t-shirt abo ma 800, 900, but sometimes mina, because angazi ngenzo kanjani, but I feel like anyone may score in skipper. Either rich or poor.
So that's what makes it stand out.
For 5,000, name says it for t-shirt. Then let's say
that's being considered.
Let's say t-shirt it's 2.5 for 5,000. How can I tell you 3 t-shirt? For 5,000. So
I'm going to pose a question. So as a umuntu own brand, how do you make your brand like because I've seen you've worked with a lot of influencers. I will go my problem of influencer because most of my brand bakala ngama influencer as magala utsile mara.
And also able to mention a few influencers as well that you
obvious mina ngispana nabantu engibathanda.
Okay.
I usually get abantu inbox bayenzeni bafuna yeah yabo umuntu engimthandayo umuntu engimfilayo like uZola uZola 7 and then uFifi lo ku Joseph M abo Prince ku Joseph M baby powder
I can't
so just to
so it's a lot man, it's more than ebaning yeah ntekin baningi bafethu no Sifiso Wami wase Orlando lo nokuphusha nalentwana noSithukzini yabo lentwana
ngiyasifona lezi ntwana
lentwana incane yami
intwana yakho le
intwana yakaFisto
ngiyayifuna lentwana
ezingela
what can I say athona sane kungena lana because manje awufuni nokungimassage afuna ukungimassage
so I really appreciate mangibona shower umuntu wabantu.
So going back to what he was saying, Guti, what are the challenges when it comes to our influencers? Because sometimes, you know, you're not getting our challenges from people who are not in the eye of the public, but laba who are in the eye of the public are the most problematic at some point.
I've never worked mina nomuntu engamfeel.
So all of them
I work nomuntu.
Okay.
Yeah, angithi abantu abaningi like uyambona ukuthi lo muntu lo
Yeah.
So I mean, I don't like sevenza nomuntu.
So it's safe to say that you're a good judge of character.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, before I do my investigations on me.
He was investigating. Yeah, so manje
it's about putting ngelinye ilanga sizobhoda yabo yeah sonke yabo so mawuvayile like feel I'll bekiwa everything aside bakhuluma ngawo ukuthi bo umuntu onjani
so mina bafethi bangibhola bengicela boxing la bengibhale ukuthi Soweto
sure I will push them guys
kanti sithi box la mele bhale ukuthi Soweto cela le video niyikhiphe bafethu awukona kuzobhola bona kuqala yini ngizobhola nombalasi
Hi guys, asikho la. Umuntu oshonayo.
Hayi manje no
sisazosipana. So the future for a brand mfethu. What's the future?
I-future uthi mangayibonisa emamolini nje. Yeah, let's say maybe Limpopo kube neshop e1, Kaikai kube neshop e1. iPep iyaspan yabona iyaspan iPep abantu baya order abanye bahlala kude Cape Town bayathenga ngayo ubahambisele ngayo iPep yabo but I think more ishop imnandi mongena shop ubona quality ubona into abakhuluma ngayo
and to the Pep management, I hope you guys are watching because Homeboy out here is plugging you guys and he's putting you on and he believes in how you guys run this thing, so do make sure that you look out for the boy and you know he needs the shouts.
Prize Pep prize
and then into bafethu engifuna ukuyilungisa naye niggas from the ghetto, like Poisons. This is what I'm talking to you guys. Ngikhuluma nani bafethu. Bengicela nike ukugcoka ama-brand wamajita bese niyahamba nebamba inkunzi. Because manje mina sengisaba ukugcokiwa iskipi se-GP Gangster because bazocabanga ukuthi ngile ntwana lezi ezinotorious. You understand? The last time umuntu angibamba inkunzi bekagcoka i-Black Panther. Mangibona i-Black Panther sengithi i-Black Panther ama-criminal. So bafethu nikhawathi i-brand yamajita and manje nikhawathi nekasi rap because abasakwazi ukubhuka $1 or uma-7 because bayazi ukuthi mazingabhukha labantu kuzoliwa. So sengisaba nokugcoka i-Black Panther manje because ile ntwana ezibamba inkonzi ngabe bafethu iyekele indaba
simbonile uze ngepassage sibone ngamehla like
like you have gang like GP Gangster talk that's the one in the brand of GP Gangster igcoka abantu this notorious boys but like iba classified yabo iba ncane ayibi broad like angeke ngithi ngizoyibona speed izothenga abantu speed because umuntu odecent uzosaba nokuyithenga
and which top.
So also I want to know Uguti, how long does it take duration when I decide Uguti I want a shirt from you? Obviously in Jobush order the process. What is the process? Do I wait a specific period of time, 3 days, a week? People want to know how long does it take. What if I really need to go to a serious event and I really want to wear Black Panther and like it's a matter of urgency and you know I'm a last minute, how do you maneuver?
Yeah, normally it's 3 days, working days now.
Oh, normally.
Yeah, so it was all a Friday, which means Saturday, Sunday, I see was stalker, I see. But if maybe like you get scenario, because I do now printer extra my t-shirt, if it happens good to now, then you get. But mangabe ke awuhlala eKasi. Ingathatha le 2 days, 3 days on our side. We hambise phephu, then it can take maybe loyo 3 to 7 working days. But ephepha nama options are 2.
Okay.
Khona ne 3 days, but patala 100 or patala 60 rand for 5 days.
So also, besides Indaba Pep, how do people get a hold of Black Panther? How do they get a hold of you or your team or the business? Please share that with us.
Mostly impahla nje you normally get through umuntu othengile.
Okay.
Yeah, but if mafuna kimi ne Facebook. Yeah, Sfiso Sokhela. Then go TikTok Black Panther Clothing. And then go Instagram Black Panther Clothing.
So man, I don't know, man, in a question one for no ibuza. And this one for no challenging ingqondo kadaki. Ne yazi mina ngithanda ukukhuluma ezinye izinto ezingakhulunywa abantu. Yeah, ukuthi umuntu omnye kahle kahle yazi mina nginjani.
Yeah.
Like angeke ngithi mangivula isitoro samakote eKasi ngifuna ukubhedlela umuntu othengisa amakote eKasi ngifuna ukubhedlela iwimpi ukuthi ngizoba greater than iwimpi. You understand? So as a owner of a Black Panther, do you see you in jewelry? Like ngikwazi ukuthenga iwatch le Black Panther, ngikwazi ukuthenga ichain le Black Panther, like expand not just clothes, like ezinye izinto ezingacabanga abanye abantu.
Yeah, njengoba ngisho earlier uzwila ngithi yonke into furniture yabo, even nekara. Yeah,
so
are there drawings on my furniture, nama drawings for imoto. Like mafuna keep imoto, so like Black Panther emuva, so maybe ngathi flag emuva, ama light laphayana kube nama line we crash abo Black Panther. So yeah, I do have a lot, like ngibheka kuphela kuimpahla
manje furniture ugoga wizo iskipa manje khabethe
furniture ikuphi la then shoot my soul ngithi obvious sikuba nekhanda bese amehlo yabo. Like something like ilogo ye-LV logo everywhere.
Okay, I know.
Yeah, something.
No, I know.
But now amehlo still alight now. Yeah, kushuthi ifurniture khona ibhekele mawulele.
So when
igebengu siyangena uthi yangena ungena ngewindow amasofa kubheki.
So when as someone on a local brand, do you support other local brands? Would you wear another, or it's always like
No, I do. We do support each other.
You support each other.
Yeah, we do support each other, but into aningi kwamanje angazi lama brand wabo kenzakalani ngawo.
Maningi ama brand.
For me, na maybe I understand the style sabo.
Yeah.
But I don't see myself.
But that's why we have people like you who are supposed to be educating us more and keeping us informed.
No, I sometimes I feel like nangikwateli ngitshela ivanga. I feel like baba uceda ukubhema ipipe.
Yeah.
Keep skipper. Mangabeki happily makabhorekile seka keep skipper. It's about you work la it's yabo even nani so bangavuka kusasa ba decide ukuthi bafuna ukuba ne podcast. They don't aba check vision ukuthi what's the vision behind. Ngiyaphi nada idenge. So this year une skip. Next year second podcast, next year umrap, next year yabona ukuthi iminyaka. So but if ngiyayibona ukuthi le shosho lentwana le ayijahanga le ngibe ayiplanela yenza. I don't mind buy t-shirt but 80% nje.
Talking about like 80%. Talking about local brands that are owned by intwana encane. It's too sad because like le ntwana lezi ezincane zi thatha lama brand lawa ziwasebenzisa ukuzifihla obu notorialism. Like le ntwana lezi ama gangster mara basifihla ngebrand.
Yeah.
Ukayibona lento le guys angifuni ukwa mention lawo ma brand lawa
bayazazi. So it's like a brand.
Yeah, kushuthi baba ne crew Mabaqeda kuba ne-crew baba ne-keeper ze-crew
yabona ukuthi sibhacile sibhekile
manamba nani and beside mawuyintwana encane mawuphuma endlini uphumelana noMessi
yabona ukuthi
uphumelana
noMessi kwabase
uyaphi ngithengelana iOcup kuba uthatha le mali eOcup uthenga iskipa uthenga something ngemali eOcup noma zojiva uyaphi ngeOcup
and iOcup iveza inkomo
thenga ibhodlela khiphani le mali amaOcup uthenga utshwala nojiva so le ndaba yabo le amaOcup mina nje into engikhenyayo ukuthi le ntwana ziphatha amaOcup
and ziyakwazana le ntwana
strong
adlali so yabona ukuthi guys
zapakala
yabona guys silibhekile le atlenu silijampile le atlenu silibhekile yonke indawo kawufela mfathi kawufela ushilo Mr
so izokawufela
bona rilishebile guys so yekani lencondvo zenu because of sizonibamba sizonithola
and kube yiso
amakhrodman akhulumile yenzani into right sisebenzisa imali ngendlela right
you know what
promote crime
as promote crime the saddest thing is guys you are killing each other for the keys
and mina ngibeki kabi bafethi Black Panther bafethi asabantu bamaOcup mangabe nazazi ukuthi niphatha amaOcup or niyazazi nile ntwana lezi sichwagaye kasi siphatha amaphanga ningayithengi nje Black Panther
that's why
angifuni support yenu angifuni nje support ntwana ezingamameli abazali
yes
because there's no way ukuthi ungathi uphume endlini uthi mama sengiyahamba cela unginikezele iOcup yami but ungasho ukuthi mama cela unginikezele lela kepisi lami lesasipa sami ngithola so angidingi nje nesupport labantwana naye bomama mangabe yazi umntana wakho amaOcup namaphanga ngomthengi Black Panther
and ama price wakha right yazwa right like ubheke notshwala iGordons iyashaya ndiphuzwa abantu ababhaya enesiphuzwa abantu ayababhaya so nange pricing yakho iyenza ukuthi le ntwana lezi zingakwazi ukuafforda iBlack Panther so sometimes into may cheap ilethi izinto
problem
and lamanye ama brand lawa amanye lawa walentwana lezi angazi that's why ngithi suke ezihigh mazijuthana ngalezi zinto lezi because igangster le yabo ilokhu yakhula
and it's getting bigger and bigger and
bigger
because uzobathi se-orange farm uzabathi kuphi
but I think ukuthi awuzona lapho izinto ezithondisa lezo zinto ilama hub nalama tube nalama yazi wonke umuntu manje ufuna ukuthi makabonakala ubuphethe iTube angikho against but guys I think it's just getting out
no iTube le ntwana lezo apparently ngathi lezi ezinye zifaka something kule tube
that's the problem
sayibhema nathi mara afaki izinto thina
yabo so
5% bhema but asifaki next ngaphakathi
but that's the
problem flavor
ngapho bambo baba inkunza bespanini awuthiyami kade awunabhekela icathulo sekazishile lapha bekabalekela wena
isigela sona
azigeni isigele le
nto nayo legela lezi bafethu mawabheka back in ekolweni bebakushaya nje for ukuthi ugoce ibhroko so abose ukuthi ushayini tuck-in nje snacks nje ufaka isigqoko sibeka so then system ikhawuthekile
yazi mina ngibonani talking about that
and bekubuza esikolweni banivulisa amabheki baze nangezinja
ukuthi kuna
phetha amaOcup bayanibopha bayenzani no nowadays akazenzele ekolweni nalabantwana bamantombazana abashayise engaka
yeboni ithathabzi ngapha mara mina into engisho bafethu it's like yazi benga understand ngasikhathi ngimncane but when I started getting older that's when I started to understand ezinye izinto so ngasikhathi bathi kuwe ungabeki ikepisi so ungabeki isport so benga understand bengithi hayi ngeke ngazongitshela into ayenzayo angeke ngazongitshela ukuthi ngenzeni but when I start to grow older now I start to understand ukuthi lo muntu lona beka fix i-character yami mongacala uhamba ngeside sozobamba inkonzi you understand uhamba straight uzoba umntana straight
ungibuza iquestion ne now manje masingayehla so meko 6 wahlangana nintwana ezifo zihamba kanje awucabanga nini
bro
awucabanga nini
mama inhliziyo ngesandla
uvela uthi seyisukile
yabo
uba ready for ukubaleka
so cabanga ukuthi yabona ukuthi lo mhlaba esiphila kuwo sesisaba nezintwana ezincane intwana ezimele zithi Hotman sister yizo manje we are living in fear because of these boys mfana uyisikubhekile sizokubamba sizokuthola and sizokudisciplina sizonjayivisa with all the relevant organizations that are taking the initiative to make sure that they are fixing the country. We will help them fix the country because this is not on, guys.
This is not on. And they're going to show abazali bafethu.
Yeah.
Ngishona abazali intwana.
Le ntwana mfethu kunenye video ngayibona le ntwana eshawa amagogo. Ntwana malo ngashawa amagogo ntwana.
Yeah.
And manje ushawa amagogo ushaya iskipa esamajita.
Yeah.
Kuna le funeral le yale pantswela le ntwana le bayikwazile eyama 15 ika. Should mabayikwazile le ntwana le lo muntu egcoke ngefuneral yakhe. Bashaya ingoma ye-GP Gangs Tilimitha ke bagcoke nempahla ze-GP Gangs lo video mayivela babona ini
GP Gangs
you understand
yeah now let's say for example unasi skipper so saba nokusigcoka kusasa because mawusigcokile uhamba ngaso nawe sebadaya one of those bamusha brand.
So yeah, guys, you know what? I think we have learned a lot today about Ama brands, running a local brand, being a businessman, and also life escalating from childhood and Ama challenges. And we do hope that you guys take the 2 cents of advice. So you know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of the African proverb, it takes a village to raise an African child. No man is an island, you cannot do it alone. So umuntu
so bafethu before we wrap it up word of encouragement emajiteni then ubaphindele futhi because lapha yabe sikhuluma in the middle of the topic ubaphindele futhi ukuthi bakuthola kanjani brand because now we are closing bakufonela kuphi if nama number email social sibaphindele via for them to get it yabo then bakaya iword of the day mabayisho ngesikhathi samanje.
Okay bafethu uthola ku Facebook uSifiso Sokela, then TikTok Black Panther Clothing, Instagram Sifiso Sokela, ama number is 0622413032 and then iword of the day bafethu thatha isikhathi sakho noma singathanda za 6000 anyeke uNkulunkulu asiphendule sonke ngelanga eliwani
ne.
Yeah, sure.
For that in
and then ngiyabonga abafethu kini ne. Yeah, danko.
Ampethu yazidiplomile kahle kahle abantu basikazi bazidiplomela bayazicocela boku hype. Khomba any head ngakhila magne prize. Abashaya ithusophala ngishaya ama money moves. Ama gangsters force futhi is cool. The swag is so clean. The brand is very mean. Amagama yashelela ngathi ngigwinye Vaseline. Hayi kaba ngifeel mapapa try me. Kusukuma matende ngabulala uJet Li niweka ngifeel nashisa like really mina ngilethi change ngathi ngisebenza ngothili egama ntari yami bafethu peace out.
Danko bonge danko
thank you
awulo masibo namasimo njayami
Mr. George